Welcome to this episode of Simply Music. I am Prakash Srinivasan, a singer, music enthusiast, and a music blogger. In today's episode, we are going to discuss about a very unique aspect in Tamil music. We all know the two great composers in Tamil music, Sri M.S. Vishwanathan and Maestro Ilayaraja. It very rarely happens in any music industry that two different composers from two different generations collaborate together on many music albums. That's what precisely happened with Sri M.S. Vishwanathan and Sri Ilayaraja. Together, they have collaborated and composed music for many albums, as much as 5 albums. So what used to happen is, MSV sir used to compose the songs and Raja sir used to orchestrate, and vice versa. So let's look at some very interesting albums that they have composed, and let's see what are the best songs in those albums. One of the most unique things in this collaboration, which was expected, was that these two composers gave wonderful songs in all the albums. Almost all the songs in all the albums were masterpieces. That's what you would expect, right? From these two maestros. It's like when Sachin and Sehwag bat together and they are on a spree, run-hitting spree, you'll get maximum runs. Coming to the albums that they composed and some notable songs, one of the best albums that they had composed was Mella Thirandhathu Kadavu. That all the songs in Mella Thirandhathu Kadavu were fantastic, but some songs like Va Vennila Unnai Vaanam Thedude Va Vennila Unnai Vaanam Thedude Meladai Moodiye Urgolamai Ponade Va Vennila Unnai Vaanam Thedude. Then we have Oru Sanam Thoongirachu Oodakaathum Adichiruchu Pavi Manam Thoongalaye Aduvum Yeno Theriyalaye. Then we have a very famous song from a recent album called Vishwa Tulasi, where S.P. Balasubramaniam sir sang a beautiful melody. Kannamma Kanavilaya Kandanil Sugamillaya Endamma Kanavillaya Manamdanil Endan Tollaya Kannamma Vasal Vara Vadiyillaya வாழ்வினில் வசந்தம் தர மொழியில்லையா கண்ணம்மா கனவில்லையா கண்தனில் சுகமில்லையா கண்ணம்மா கனவில்லையா மனம்தனில் எந்தன் தொல்லையா. Then we had another beautiful album called Sendamil Paattu, which had wonderful songs again. சின்ன சின்ன தூரல் என்ன என்னை கொஞ்சம் சாரல் என்ன சின்ன சின்ன ஆவல் பின்ன நெஞ்சில் பொங்கும் பாடல் என்ன சின்ன சின்ன. Then you had a wonderful folk song which paid tribute to Gomata. Okay, we had this song called Adi Gomada இந்த ஊர காக்குற குலமாதா எல்லாருக்கும் தெரியாதா இத பாட்டு கட்டி பாட சொல்லுதடி இந்த ஊர் காத்து மனம் தொட்டு விட்டு அத கேக்குதடி இந்த பூந்தோப்பு அடி கோமாதா. And then we had the most serene melody. காலையில் கேட்டது கோயில் மணி கேட்டதும் பூத்தது கண்ணின் மணி பாதையில் ஏதொரு காவல் இனி தோள்களில் சாய்ந்தது காதல் கனி காலையில் கேட்டது கோயில் மணி. So this bouquet of songs that these two great composers composed are immortal now. MSV sir is no more with us, but obviously lives with us through his music. the vast repertoire of albums that he's composed, which is like more than 1100 albums. And if you know the fact that MSV sir is the largest composer in terms of number of albums, over 1100, and many of those of course was composed with Sri Ramamurthy also, but still the record holds good even till today. And a close second is again Maestro Ilayaraja, who has composed for 1000+ albums and still going strong. So these two composers have composed more than 1000 albums each, which is a monumental achievement. With this, we will end today's episode of Simply Music. In the ongoing episodes of Simply Music, we will look at other interesting facts regarding Indian music. Until then, stay safe and goodbye.